How to change currency on Roblox. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Roblox application. So before 2023 version, Roblox can actually change its currency by changing the country, but that's not available right now. So what we're gonna do is on the bottom part here, you will see three dots, right? Click on that and scroll all the way down up until you see the help option and wait for it to load. Now here it will look like this. The next thing that I want you to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see contact us option here. Click on that and wait for it to load again and scroll all the way down up until you see the technical issues questions. So if you're using an Android, then tap on Android app technical and purchasing issues. And if you are having a trouble using your iOS or an Apple product, then tap on iOS apps. For me, I'm using iOS, so I'm gonna click on and go to iOS and scroll all the way down up until you see this additional help, and under that you will see need more help, contact support here. Click on that and then just wait for it to load. Now, it will actually ask for your birth date, so make sure that you remember or you input the same birth date that you use on your Roblox account, and then fill out this information about your username, your parent or guardian email address, rather your email address, and then your issue. Let's say you're having a problem with your iPhone here, and then tap on category. You can go to purchasing. You can go to technical support here, and then just describe your issue. Let's say I want to change my currency on Roblox because I changed my address right now, and so on and so forth, and basically wait for Roblox community to get back to you and help you with your problem and basically change your currency on Roblox. And that's it. That is how you change your currency on Roblox, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.